Everybody asked me how I know. I smiled at them and said she told me so. Everybody asked me how I know. I smiled at them and said she told me so. Everybody asked me how I know. I smiled at them and said she told me so. Everybody, 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 everybody asked me how I know. I smiled at them and said she told me so. I know. Everybody asked me how I know.
What's up, guys? I'm back. So today we are I am going to be showing you how to fix a controller, the Joy-Con stick, the left stick or right, because it gets stuck down quite frequently. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix that situation. So why don't we get started? So you're gonna just place the camera down. Okay, so you're gonna take it and you're gonna just get some cleaning spray for this. So 1 minute, guys. Oh, yeah. Okay, I am back. I just got some fantastic original. It is a tough grease and grime. Powers through grease and grime. Probably not gonna work for the controller. Actually, no, grease and grime. I used a different one last time, so we'll try both. So we just spray it just a bit, just a little dab, and don't worry, if you use this kind, won't affect you at all, any shape or form. Okay, so I didn't even get any on it. Okay, there we go. You can see just a bit. Okay, so you're gonna take this part of the controller and you are gonna rub it around. You can just do it on the sides, but I mean, I find it easier just to rub the whole thing, so then you know that everything's been covered. So you're gonna do it 4 times on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then on the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna try it. And yeah, now it should work. And thank you all very much for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Goodbye! You're such a liar. It's recording. You're such a liar. Okay, stop. Oh, the lighting in here is terrible. So, let's get some lights on, guys, shall we? So, what you're going to want to do is I'm actually vlogging Tamlin, so we got to place the camera down. I'm trying to make a vlog.